Okay, just a quick video update of the pedal box. So what I've done here, I haven't put the labels on yet. I've got the parameter buttons here for the zoom. I think this is the looper, that's the rhythm, this is the settings, that's the mem stomp. Then we've got the F1 to F5 at the top, page up, no, page down, so song back, page down, page up, song up, and tuner button. So, and here's the Bluetooth device that I've linked in. You can just about see it saying something. And we've got the device there. So let's just go through. I'll show you them like this so we can see the thing changing. So if I push, I'll put it onto 5 there. Take it off looper. I'll put it on 5 like that. So if I push this one, it should make it the red buttons to go by 1. And it does. And then 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all good. The looper should be this one here. So push that and you see it's gone onto looper. The red button's gone on. So the looper's there. If we push, so what would the looper do? If I push this button here, we should see the timers going up. If I push that one, it goes down. This one should change the mode, finish, fade out, whatever it is. That should change it to post. This will change the volume. So all the volume is being done by these here, yeah? So again, these are the P1 to P4, and it's equivalent to, view. It's equivalent to moving these buttons here, yeah? So I put that up to the max, 100, and then I'll just push the button here. It should start counting down. Yeah, there we are. So that's working nice. Or this will start the rhythm. There we are. And again, we can change the pattern like this if we want. We can change this thing. Yeah, we can change the BPM. We can change the volume. And then I guess that would probably start it, would it? Yeah. So you can start it remotely as well, yeah? Because the tuner button sends foot switch left and right, which should be equivalent to basically starting and stopping. So let's put it in that mode. We'll put it on there. I should be able to do it remotely. It doesn't seem to want to do it in a minute. So we should be able to, say, example, turn on number 3. We should be that one. There we are. Or we can turn it off. So we'll be able to turn effects on or off. And we'll be able to push the number 5 button. And then we should be able to push, is it this button? Yeah, that will walk you through the various settings. So far so good. Everything works. I have some PCBs on the way. I'll make a video about that. The metal is quite solid. I need to put some colors. I've got some nail polish or something to experiment with putting some colors on. But then the kinky bit here, we've got these 4 buttons here, yeah? So let's look at the song like that. And if I push the right button, this one here, then you see it'll move to the next song. Okay, and I can move this one here and it will go to the previous song. Yep, I can push that one there, it will go back, or I can push that one there and it will go forward. Yeah, so it's sending the Bluetooth on the song set of this thing. So that's quite neat, I think. So I think this is all working quite nicely now. What I'll do is I'll wait for the PCB to come in and try and use that to make the system up. But yeah, I think we're getting I'm getting a lot further, and the PCB should make this a lot easier. There's a lot of wires in there. I'll show you it when I look at the PCB. At the moment, I don't want to disturb it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.